Hello and good afternoon. It is lunchtime and I am in my car because I am heading to school. I'm going to work in my room. We have our early release days on Wednesdays this year, and the kids get out 2 hours earlier so that teachers can have meetings and such. So I'm going today. We have a meeting at 1:15. And then after that, I'm going to be working in my room. So maybe I'll take a video of what I'm doing. Isn't this nice? That was a fun gift to wake up to. Guess where I am? You'll never guess. I'm going to tell you. I am at QT. I have not been here since March. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm going to go in and get an actual soda. That's my plan. Anyway, I'm assuming you can still get a soda at QT. I don't even know. Today was rough. That's all I'm going to say. Today was really, it was really rough. Had nothing to do with teaching or my kids. It was a rough day. So I am having myself a soda. I get the Diet Dr. Pepper with no sugar, and then I squirt a couple pumps of the vanilla flavoring in it with sugar, but I figure it's still better than like a full-strength sugar soda, because full-strength sugar soda makes me all shaky and this doesn't, so I feel like it'll be okay. Anyway, I'm super excited to get a soda. Oh my gosh, look at my soda. That is so exciting. First one in 7 months. Can you believe that? It's crazy. Okay, just finished live lessons and 3 in-person meeting. Well, no, that's wrong. Not in-person meetings. One-on-one meetings with my kiddos. It is about 3:35, I think that says. So technically done for the day. Never done for the day though. That's just not the truth. But I have work that I still have to do, but it's going to happen later tonight, because I got something cool in the mail. If you watched my, I think it was the last video, not really sure. I had ordered a part for my NutriBullet RX because the one of the little rings in the inside of the bottom of the who knows what started leaking really badly, and it was like gonna start spewing green juice everywhere, which would have been bad. So ordered the part, got the part on Sunday. The part, I don't think it fit right. It just seemed like it was still loose. So I'm gonna send that part back, and I got something else. Wait till you see it. Dun, 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 dun. Here it is. I'm so excited. It is the Ninja Foodi Blender, cold hot. I'm so excited. I have a Ninja food processor and I absolutely love it. So I went with this one. Yes, I know Vitamix is awesome, but for the price, this one was less than half. And I'm not a chef and never planned to be one. So this is good enough for me. Also, honestly, the Ninja, I've read quite a few comparisons between the Ninja and the Vitamix, and they are actually neck and neck in a lot of categories, and Ninja is superior in quite a few categories. So I feel like I got a pretty good deal. This was under $200, and I did get the warranty just in case, because I don't know, I'm a sucker, but I did get the warranty, and that was like $30, I think. So I want to say it was $160, I think, something like that. Anyway, one of the features that I really like about this is it has a glass pitcher, and that just, I don't know, I just think glass is better than plastic. And also, this, you can actually boil things in this to make soups and sauces and things like that. I'm super excited. See what I did there? Super excited. I am a dork. I am sorry. It's late and it's almost Friday. I'm so happy that Friday's right around the corner just because my voice needs a break. I talk like non-stop almost for about 4 or 5 hours a day, and gets old, probably for those listening to me as well. Anyway, it has these little guys in there, and those help to move around ingredients, I think. 1400 watt base, which is really good. I mean, I think, because, you know, my engineering skills are a little off. But anyway, I am super excited to give this a try. I will let you know how it goes. Okay, it is time to try the Foodie. I'm super excited. I'm going to show you what I put in the smoothie that I make. Here we go. Okay, so here it is, washed and ready. And it's quite heavy. This thing is lots and lots of pounds, it feels like. Oh, got to plug it in. Plugging it in is a vital step, I feel like, yes. Whoops, what am I filming? I don't know. All right, let's see here. Also, I might need to take it out of the little protective thingy, but not yet. Look at that, it lights up. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I didn't actually read how to do the actual blending part, so I'm gonna probably come right back. Okay, so I have my instructions here, and I think because I'm putting a lot of veggies in it, or a lot of greens in it, I'm going to use the extract, which is 1:05, which looks like right there. See? This may not be rocket scientist work, but I'm not even close to smart enough to have all these buttons on my smoothie maker. Anyway, okay, so what I put in my smoothie, I put in some spinach. I put in some of the country greens. This is what I give our bearded dragon. And there's turnip, collard, and mustard greens in there. And then I usually choose between, I'm sorry, something in my eye, and my filming is not great right now. I really apologize. I usually use one or the other, but since this is the maiden voyage, I felt like I should use both. So I'm gonna put some of this blend in there. This I got at Target, and it's really yummy. And then this came from Walmart, and it's also really yummy. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down and put these things in the blender, and then I'll come back for the magic that is the actual blending. I hope it's magical. Should be. Okay, so here's what it looks like before the water goes in. And now I'm going to add water, and the fill line is right. Well, I'll show you in just a second. I made it. The fill line is right there. So I feel like I'm probably good. Okay, now the lid is very serious stuff here. You're supposed to put it to the right, which that's not right. There we go. That's right, right? There. Oh, I wasn't actually filming that. Okay, and then you lock it in place like so, and then make sure the top is on, and it is. So, I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, so we'll push the power button. It said Foodie across the front of it. That's cool. All right, now I just pushed that button, I think, and I'm not going to film for an entire minute 5 seconds of this, but I will. Oh, I don't want it. I don't want the heat on. It says keep warm, heat on, clean. Oh, I just have to probably not touch it, probably. Okay, so now, oh, what's those buttons mean? Okay, blend, yes. Cook, no. I'm so nervous. Maybe I'll just eat it like a salad. Pulse, low, medium, high. Okay, I'm just gonna push this button and see what happens. Nothing. That's awesome. All right, so blend. Oh, okay. And now extract. And nothing. This thing works great. I'm sure there's more to it. Okay, oh, low, medium, high. Let's go medium. Oh! It's blending. Oh my gosh! And the dogs love it. Awesome. I'm gonna do high and see what happens. Woo! And it counts the time for you. That's so cool. All right, I will be back. Oh, I just missed it. It said done right there. So that's exciting. Look at that. It looks uber blended. I'm gonna pulse it just to, because it's been sitting now for like 2, 3, 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. This thing's cool. I know it's just a blender, but it's cooler than just a blender. Anyway, I will let you know the results in just a second. Okay, so I just poured it in here. That's what it looks like. Every time I make them, it's a little bit of a different color. So this is kind of tan. It's like green, I don't know, purple tan. Is that a color? Anyway, it looks like it makes about the same if I fill it like I just did as the NutriBullet. So that part's good. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes in just a minute. I am back to report that it is delicious, kind of. It tastes a little bit like dirt, but that's my fault. It's not the fault of the foodie. I put a little too many of the country greens in there and it really tastes earthy, but you know, back to nature. Anyway, it is good. It's the same flavor and everything. I just didn't want, I don't like when you blend things with a regular blender, and it gives it like almost that burned flavor, like the flavor of the heating mechanism. I don't know if that makes any sense, but this does not have that. It just tastes like dirt. I'm sorry, I'm just cracking myself up here over dirty smoothies. Anyway, it's good. It's juice, and juice is good. Anyway, it was an accidental haul today, and accidental because I've been ordering some things and they all showed up on the same day. The foodie was the biggest, best of them all. Not best, because the other things are really cool too. I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, this is another thing that came in the mail. How cool is this? My teaching partner and I both ordered it. It says, please mute yourself. Teacher Life 2020. Yes. I don't know what I'm going to do without my mute all button when I go back to work. I did ask my principal for one, and I don't think I'm getting one. Anyway, here's the other thing that came in the mail. You know this box. You know how exciting it is. I ordered these online. Remember the other day, the other video, I think it was my last video, and I said that there was some kind of a cupcake, something vanilla cupcake, and the people there looked at me like I was crazy. Well, the laugh's on them, because here it is, the frosted cupcake wallflowers. So they were, was it, I don't remember how it came. It was 5 for $28 or something like that, but these counted a little bit of a different way. So anyway, I got 6 of those. I really like these just as non-seasonal standby and in rooms like bathrooms, because it's just kind of, you know, simple. Anyway, that is what came today, so that was super exciting. Oh, and wait, but hold on, there's more. This didn't come today. It came a couple days ago. So I got this for my chalkboard at school, not chalkboard, my calendar, sorry, at school, that I use for me, and I will show you in another video what I'm talking about. But it looks like a picture frame, and the calendar part is written on glass. So I put paper behind it. It's like a clear calendar, where if you put it on a white wall, you would be able to see the calendar lines just fine. But I put it on a dark bulletin board above my teacher desk. So I put some scrapbook paper behind it so I could see, and then I'm going to use these to write on it. In the past, I've used a Sharpie and then just clean it off at the end of the month, but these are way more fun and they'll stand out way more because I find myself really good about using it in August and September, and then, you know, it's May and I haven't used it and it still has September written on the top, or maybe October. So I figured this would help me be a little more accountable to my own self. So that is what I have today. I'm gonna try to upload this video. I'm gonna try to get this video uploaded tonight. If you found anything entertaining, helpful, useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help me grow my channel. Until next time, please remain positive about the world we live in, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.